Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you how to enable relaxation sounds. Car radio is equipped with the set of relaxation sounds and preset you can set up. In order to do it, take a look at the screen display and go to Radio, Menu, and select Sounds of Nature. You can select Lively Forest, Sailing Ship, City at Dawn, Outer Space, Rainy Day, Moment of Meditation, Harbingers of Spring, Summer Night, Autumn, Sentiment, and Warmth of Winter. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.